Making plain parathas today for my customer. Besides paratha, I also make chapatis, and today we are making plain paratha. I do make ajwain salted paratha as well as methi leaf fenugreek parathas as well. So what we are making now is plain parathas. So I'm putting in one layer of ghee in between so it becomes more rich. And a little bit of salt in between, and then you fold them up. I'm in the mood of square today. Sometimes I make triangular shape, at times I make round shape. So today I'm making a square shape. Look at how it's puffing up. A little bit more ghee. Believe me, it's so yum, especially when you have it hot. There you go, that's ready over there, and sprinkle a little more salt.